Alright, Hardtex, part 15, video 416. We're just fixing a little bug here that I made. So we're trying to figure out what's wrong with the GPU sync function. So in the GPU function section, this function, something's wrong with it. We're not making any changes here. This is just our goal to figure out what the hell is going on. I think this is the problem. But in this video, we're just fixing a bug in the Hardtex system. And I was trying to figure out why the pattern here was not stamping to the correct level pack cell, and I logged the level pack coordinate here, the hotel cell X, hotel cell Y, and that looked correct. And then I added some other debugging code somewhere else. Where is it? Oh, in the canonic pad text function. So here's all of the debug functions for Hardtex that are wired to the number pad 1 through 9. So this enumeration procedure is going to be the enums that represent 1 through 9 for the canonic system. And this is the number pad Hardtex pattern function. So the keyboard bindings for that. I made a mistake. So you see all these number pad key bindings? It's bottom, and then it's mid, and then it's top, and then left, center, right, left, center, right, left, center, right. Well, I'm writing this in the y-axis, then the x-axis, and all of my code is designed to do x then y, like in a function call. So down here, I had all these things in the wrong order. So here's the bottom row of keys. We need the bottom in the y slot and left, center, right in the x slot. We need the mid in the middle slot, left, center, and right in the x slot. And then down here, we need the top in the y slot, left, center, and right in the X slot. So I flipped my parameters around, and now they are in the correct order. So now this bug is fixed. I also did a little bit of logging here to kind of help me figure out what's going wrong. So for the enumeration procedure that comes into the function, I just wanted to print off and make sure that I indeed had the correct keyboard binding that I thought I had. And that's what this little logging here does. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.